Abusia yamwakwaba emraso yenhwen sama koso wo agudem ya na dos de se fata sautina ya bwabwa no de aba ya na me kase kete wesi nye duwe bia na ye bwabwa ye ho ne ye womapo akokwa na tim se bibia de din Adom TV ba Adom FM ba Sempe FM ba ye giko abo so as usual ye ne ma kwa ye de ai na kwa nkwa ne di no ba Adom FM ne Adom TV biemu te se opanka ram biemu Come up, yes. OneXpert.com. What do you see? I can't pay any some night April. Over betty at OneXpert.com and betty keke say betting company be aba when you also be debi. Baby, what options so with video disc go to me OneXpert.com. I'm okay on pay now. I didn't some night April was so na G-Fast mixture and so Italy mo enye easy cry G-Fast. And more general nice so ba and more general nice so baby. You can so buy general nice so onitria. You can so be much nice so abi you know that and Sadimo gel and roll on and also can wanna eden some na dear bro pin be quiet Sadimo gel and roll on simple juma say you know I'm for bring class say one way sad near can one sem say nyagro Sadimo look drugs to be also per Sadimo I'm okay wanna pay eden some na dear bro say Jomano Chobana Padibo Treme producers Kaisa Oden Kasabeka Kejuan where Kasiru Bode from the 24th of June to the 8th of July at a mana 23 AFCON Bebaso Morocco Ghana qualify now on the Black Meteors so Kumasi Sports Stadium 2-1 aggregate Algeria and we sa yes me qualify coach Tanko the last time one lead team no dey this time around one asanle dey and Ghana needs ready when we say Olympic Games or Paris the last time Ghana Kobe was in 2004 just actually just Ghana to me when qualify Paris the first 3 teams tournament national be qualify Kobe munti omo be final no and then third and fourth you better also third no automatically no qualify for the Olympic Games. Ghana betima kwana so onkora. Ghana qualify no bebrina bisa and some afenajan na stories bin na muwiemu say Ghana ton safre na coach Tanko ton safre no bra ese woma ono a black star material wonye ayi na 23 material nti wo man ya de na after the game Tanko HHS answer anymore.
So I don't know, we gave him an invitation and I don't know what went on. They didn't come in. So I think it's the FA who can answer that because I gave my list and he's part of the list, but at the end of the day, it's not here. So because I personally talked to his agent 4 times and we keep on telling me that it's not ready. So definitely I have to do my plan without him. What's that we qualify today. I don't know if going forward he will accept to come.
Right, Tanko, then someone no, Chemu say I'm invitation mafina and afina say onye ready. On any agent, someone ready. But when say tournament now, everybody home ready there. Tanko can or say abribia or friend no J tum so be boy mana bo bia only 23 hour we asa fana ba bia no. Betime say kan e de ama Ghana ti e hwe ka tournament e koi when say kudus mu nyina betime abo. Small boys na wetim na betima bokudu sumo na Chemeres bi ombekwa akobobia Ransford now take Black Stars bench na munyina betima ko tournament ne bi so tim say yes ade ne mbe de pa na ade na ye kan sa no ye fi oni kopie mo the Ghanaian Premier League match day 24 and Accra so folk after say Carola koche no na tre no Accra Sports Stadium oche Accra Lions so motoso mienu league ne so bo no kaba ko ntumi ante Linda na e boss ago no at my heart of folk now kopie mo other results by mo Brekum Chelsea so any Adriana Stars but 1-1 na Bono Derby na Baso Pass and so na Bechem United about dreams by a goal to the Samates Bokoto Royals by 2-1. Kotoku for now they say omo vim na ba power but Samates are stop your Tamale City ni to Tamale na 2-1 for Tamale City me dey ma game no ene be Baso ramom hat focus winning 1-0 so na medical Canada na yemongro mo hwe highlights.
Lace on the pass, they're trying to go through the middle. Here's Beko now. This should be it. Slotted in nicely, and it's the visitors who announce their presence. And Shaibu may probably be on his way to breaking the deadlock. King Faisal, quick response. And leadership by example. Corner kick, whipped in nicely by King Faisal. But it's headed away, not too far though. Will they have a strike on target? From behind, Latif restores some pride.
Yeah, we'll look at it again. It's a disastrous play from Karela from defense. They allow Bature to get control of the ball, and it's an empty net.
They give the ball back to Karela. Here's Okran. There's a pass to the right. Ayer does well, good footwork, but he needs to get it away from danger zone. And Karela coming forward, that's a lovely pass straight to the shot is on target. Goalkeeper went down but could not save the second opportunity. And Karela are back in the game.
It's another derby in the capital. It's Hatzabok against Accra Lions on match day 24 of the Betpower Premier League. We're live on Star Times Adipa Channel 247. This is our coverage of Ghana's Elite Division. My name is Nana Dakwa Jesse, and I'm your commentator for this evening's fixture here. Muse whistles, Yonde kicks off for Hatzabok. Here is Dennis Kosa. He missed out of the last game. He sends one inside. Jima finds Saki. Saki gets it away, and Esso quickly intercepts for the Phobians. Linda Mtange. Early movement from the Phobians on Befi can just get to Yonde. Inoke Subontin's corner. Kennedy Adom's touch. Not causing any problems for Accra Lions as a goal kick. Hearts nil, Accra Lions nil. It's Subontin, he's up against Jima, he goes past Jima, good work from Inoke Subontin, there's a chance for the Phobians, he finds Linda Mtange, Linda shoots, and it's no problem for Andrew Owusu, straight to the arms of the Lions goalkeeper. On there, good play from Befi, he finds Linda Mtange, it's an opportunity, takes the deflection of Isai, back kills to Linda Mtange, Kosa to Befi. Mtange, here is Otanga, good ball, here is Ikum, good save Owusu, Mtange, and finally the Phobians have the opening goal. Linda Mtange scores his debut goal for Accra Hatzabok. The Congolese finally hits the back of the net. Hearts 1, Accra Lions 0.
Right. That's all Hatzabok going on with their share on Linda and bought two more, but into the coaches now, I can't say if can fight our coach going to upload it on there, a new coach. Edma Ken Faisal.
First of all, let me give thanks to Almighty God for giving us the strength, the energy, and the tactics we applied to this game, and it worked successfully and we won. Let me acknowledge my coach, Jimmy Kobna. He's not here, but all that we are doing, we worked with him. I just trained with the team for just 3-4 days, and we've won today. So I'm not going to take the credit. I'm going to dedicate this game to Coach Jimmy Kobna because he has worked a lot here, and I appreciate what he has done. I've learned a lot from him. So Coach, this is your game. I've won this game for you. So be happy wherever you are. I've played football before, and anytime they change a coach, the team that plays try to impress the coach. They try to do extra work. So I knew they were going to work. When I spoke to them in the first half, after the first half, they told me I shouldn't worry. They are going to win the game for me. So I said they shouldn't win the game for me. This is their work that they have been doing. So they make sure they train the whole week. And after a game, you don't get anything home. It's bad. So you think about yourself. Don't think about me. Think about the money that you get for your family and your children. So you should also think about that one too.
A team like Faisal who needs to avoid the relegation.
Yeah, this is our problem, our biggest problem. Whenever we create the chances. You remember we played against Bibiani Go Stars here. We scored a lot of chances. This is our problem, and I'm working on them. So I make sure that every time we work on it and we find out, because we played very well. At the last chance to score, we miss it. So I'm going to work on the scoring too, because we don't have.
What God during our bloody na or then summer to just after the game watching was any coach a Pamonona where we need a diamano. Shaibutanko, and so your coach Macarella Ninsemni.
Yeah, it wasn't a bad performance, except that we gave up the goals for them to score. But unfortunately, I must say that it's a terrible day for Ghana football. Terrible day for Ghana football.
Why do you say that?
Yeah, my issue is about officiating. It was terrible. The referee did not handle the match as expected. We noticed that we committed errors which could have been avoided. For instance, communication. They weren't communicating. Otherwise, the first goal, for instance, would have been something we could have avoided, and the third goal that we considered was something we could have also avoided. But we gave it to them. But in general, officiating was terrible.
Then again, you've not picked that away win you were looking for. You were very emphatic in high spirit that today was going to be a different game. You've not chalked that success. How do you turn it around? Your team is still lurking around the relegation zone.
Yeah, I mean, we'll surely escape. We'll surely escape. Given out what we are playing now, I think we will escape relegation.
Right, Yanko has game on him and I am sure the coaches then so I can now what say yes, then yes small games and James Francis on our assistant coach Bruno on our assistant coach Accra Lions and Tanko Ibrahim one met your coach and one head coach at the Accra Lions after the game then somebody to Jenny.
To the first half, I thought we did fantastically well in terms of keeping possession, we had one really good chance with David Adura's header. Overall, very pleased with the performance. Obviously the result is disappointing, but we've got 2 days to prepare for King Faisal, so we'll go back and we'll prepare.
You know, right from the onset, you dominated, you had a lot of the ball, but it did not translate into goal scoring. Is this something that bothers you?
No, of course not. No, it's all about the process. As you said in the first interview, that we scored 29 goals. So we've got the goal scoring ability. We just need to work on a few aspects in terms of when to make the pass, when to pass into feet.
Right, James Francis, one of our assistant coach, the Accra Lions. Now another assistant coach, also David Okulu. One of those as I say, all stretch the Accra so for good to win no. Nesamni.
What you are looking for after the downfall in Anyinase?
Yes, Nana. I told you, we will do our best to get a positive result. And lo and behold, we got it.
You tinkered so much with a squad that played in Anyinase, 6 changes.
Yes.
Were you satisfied with the performance of those you fielded today?
Yes, I'm very, very satisfied. You could see they fought gallantly. And I'm so much proud of them. And I will encourage them to keep it up, to keep it going this way. I don't think they possess that better. I don't know how you watch the game, but I saw my boys possessing. You could see we play all the game in their half.
In the first half, they possess better.
Okay. But just that, like you said, we couldn't create enough scoring chances. But we'll go
right. David Okulu, name someone what they at to and so I don't know. Now, okay, table, so as you say, Adriana Stars, we won't say we want our results now something which is there. But I say, what just rob so pound? I just rob to the piano requisite format. Omo modern chino still. I be United is about tossing me 40 points. Adriana still only need 41 points. Has folk about tossing me 38. And Accra Lions have tossed 938 is Medema Edio and 9 Enum 37. The Biani Gold Stars tossing Sia was 35 as an economical toss and so I was 34 points and economical Accra Lions now more and Legon Cities and the PM so war a wax for shade of Shannon South Family Legon Cities versus Matema Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Abza ibeji national no pay in some nice here 1xbet.com na dey sia konkoma here in some na bro 1xbet.com obebet here 1xbet.com us no asoso ana options a bit me afa so dey di so no e bebrela etim pahwa afa ho jim ni pansa hwe sanso na okokopie mu ewo Gfast Mesha Force akachi am say dey Ghana for one more any mu wiwi kra sanso on person mu gina mo nan so your boy be mo gina na so Gfast Mesha sanso na set more chel. And roll on, amo sponsors and promo come here by Image Well. So share material na no pay. Image Well, man me manyina. Nzefe. Come up pass. Say you want to show better party with producers. Kejuana Kasani, Eric Kasiru, because so I have